What up, YouTube, and welcome back to another installment of As Told by Brittany D. And of course, I am Brittany D, and today I am back with another lock tutorial for you guys. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how I am maintaining my locks during No-Retwist November. If you had the opportunity to watch my previous video, then you guys know that I made a pledge to not to retwist my hair until the year 2022. So I still have a while before I'm able to get a retwist, so I wanted to jump on here and share with you guys one of my favorite go-to style when I am freeforming. All you need to achieve this style is some freshly washed locks, an old pair of leggings, and some really good edge control. And that's it. But first thing first, you need to wash your locks. So it's been a while since I've washed my locks. If I'm not mistaken, the last time I washed my locks was for my birthday, which was in September. So yeah, it's about time to wash them. So I'm about to take this Fortify'd natural sage infused black soap shampoo, and I'm going to give them locks a nice deep cleanse because they need it. And once all my locks are covered in soap and I believe they are clean, I'm going to go ahead and rinse my hair out with some lukewarm water. Once I am done rinsing out the shampoo, I'm going to pick up this Fortify'd Naturals Growth Enhancing Moisture Therapy Deep Conditioner. This is my first time using this product, but I'm just going to add a nice generous amount to my locks because I really want to stimulate that hair growth. And on a serious note, the weather here in Atlanta has been on its own time. It doesn't really know if it wants to be fall, winter, or summer. And so, yeah, my hair is really paying the price for it. And so we're really just going to add a nice generous amount on there. We're really gonna slap it on there because my hair has been dry thanks to good old Atlanta. Honestly, I should be used to it by now, but anyway, now I'm going to sit around the house for a little bit. So I'm going to wrap this old t-shirt around my head, and that's going to help soak up some of the water from my locks. But I'm going to chill around the house for an hour or two before I rinse this conditioner out of my head. Now that I have rinsed out the deep conditioner, I'm going to add in the leave conditioner. Now this is a mixture of grapeseed oil and Fortify'd Natural Hydrating Leave-In Conditioner. Now this is my favorite thing to use as a daily moisturizer. It's a great combination. The leave-in conditioner smells great while the grapeseed oil helps lock in the moisture. And don't be stingy with the product. Really make sure that you are coating your locks with this mixture. Once I am done, I'm going to take that t-shirt and wrap it around my head again to help remove some of that water from my locks. If you don't know, cotton absorbs water, hence why we're not supposed to sleep on cotton pillow sheets because it dries out our hair. But I love wrapping my locks with a cotton t-shirt before sitting under the dryer because it eliminates sitting under the dryer for long periods of time. So I'm going to go ahead and finish some chores around the house and get right back into it. Now that I'm done procrastinating, I'm going to sit under the dryer for about 15 minutes on low heat. Usually if I'm not doing a retwist, I would just allow my hair to air dry, but recently I've learned that letting your locks air dry all the time is actually not good for your locks, and so it's good to add that heat, but I'll get more into that next time. Now after spending 15 minutes under the dryer on low heat, my hair is completely dry and I'm just loving how it's looking. I mean, my colorful locks aren't as vibrant as they once were, but overall my hair looks healthy. So yeah, I'm a happy camper. As for my color, I'm just going to allow it to fade. I've been thinking about switching things up. Like I was thinking about pink, purple, and blue, like that type of ombre. I think that would be kind of cool. I don't know. I'm still up in the air about it. But for now, we're going to focus on brushing these locks. And if you watch my daily lock care routine, then you already know all about the benefits of brushing your locks. And if you haven't seen that tutorial yet, you need to pause this one and go back and watch that one because you're going to need all of them tips, honey. You're going to need all of them. Like seriously, there is a lot of great benefits from brushing your locks. Trust me, you do not want to sleep on it. Go back and watch that video now. But as of right now, I am done with my hair and I'm ready for bed. So I got my satin bonnet on and yeah, get ready for the next morning. And that Millie Rock was super slack. But anyway, I'm gonna share with you guys my favorite go-to style when I am in between retwists. So this is what I love to do when I am freeforming. So as I mentioned before, you're gonna need some edge control. So I'm going to start off by applying the first layer of edge control. Like I said, it's been a while since I have retwisted my hair, so I am going to apply a generous amount. We're not going to be shy, okay? That's a lot of new growth I'm dealing with. But I'm going to continue applying that edge control. Then I'm going to take my hard bristle brush and begin swooping my edges. Now you do your edges how you like to do your edges, boo. Do what fits your head shape, okay? I mean, that's the best advice I could give you right now. We all know doing your edges is hard, okay? Judgment-free zone here, all right? But now we're taking my Got2b, and you hear my son? Really, son? Anyway, but we're going to take my Got2b and we're going to apply some of that onto my edges as well. So we got two different types of edge control. Boom. And I got my old little toothbrush, and I'm just using that to add detail to my edges. So, you know, do the little swoop to swoop, the little sinks and all that stuff. Make it look a little fancy, okay? Now, of course, if you guys are interested in a more in-depth edge tutorial, I do have one available on my YouTube channel. Of course, it's super old, but you know, it's up there if you guys are interested. But now that I'm done playing around my edges, I'm just going to lay them down with my little silky scarf and allow them to dry, and boom. That's pretty much it for the styling portion of this video. Pretty simple, like I said. Now I'm going to show you guys how I wrap my turban. As of lately, I've been rocking the turban bun type of style. That's what I like to call it, I don't know. But anyway, I'm just going to show you guys what I'm talking about. So first things first, I'm going to start off by protecting my locks using my bonnet. So of course, we're going to put my bonnet over my locks to protect them from the cotton material. So really quickly, I want to show you guys that these are seriously a pair of old leggings that I got from Walmart for about $8, you know, big spender. And I'm just going to use these leggings as my turban because these seem to be much easier to wrap than traditional turbans. Now, how simple was that? Now that I have finished wrapping my turban, we're going to just add a little bit more detail to the style. So we're going to add a little bit of mousse to my little sideburns to activate those curls, and boom, we're pretty much done with this style. You can see why this is one of my favorite styles because as you can see, it's a very beautiful look. You can wear it as an everyday look or you can dress it up for special occasions. You know, you could do whatever. And no one will be able to tell you even had locks underneath, to be honest. So as of right now, I'm going to do a little dance for my husband. But after that, I am going to add a little bit of makeup off camera, you know, just to add to the look. But yes, I hope you guys did enjoy this tutorial. If you guys did, please remember to give me a big thumbs up. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe because I do try to upload weekly. So make sure your, shut up. So make sure your notification bells are turned on so you guys don't miss your weekly dose of Brittany D. But that's pretty much it for me. Until next time, until we meet again, until we're back on YouTube watching another crazy video of mine. And bye-bye.